Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to share Reels on Instagram Story. This is quite a simple and easy process, so just follow me till the end and you guys will get the idea. So once you have selected the Reel you want to upload as a story, just click on the Reel, open it up again, and then you will see this arrow mark on the bottom right corner. Just click on that arrow mark, and on the bottom tab here, you can scroll to the right and see the option where it says Add to Story. Just click on that, and then that is it. You have now added that reel into your story. You can further do some customization to it, like you can click on the first button to change the background. You can add text, stickers, and music as well. Once you're happy with everything, you can just click on your story. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to share Reels on Instagram Story. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.